guys, I'm just like waking up. This Wednesday. This Wednesday, September 2025, 24th September 2025. So, just woke up now. So, I don't know how my day is gonna be. This is already Tuesday. I'm still looking for trades. I'm only taking like 2 sit up every week, like 2 A-place sit up every week. That's the maximum of trade I can take in every week. So yeah, I just wanna take my beat now. You know. So guys, I'm preparing to step out now. I'm gonna be trading my 200k FTMO account. So let's see how it goes today. I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, I've just came back now. So for you guys that don't know me yet, I'm the Dream Trader. No, one and only Dream Trader. So I just came back home, stepped out to do some personal stuffs. So but I'm back now. So I've been looking at the markets, trying to take some trades, see if I can see some setups to take some trades. It's been 2 days now. I haven't taken any trades yet for this week. So yeah. So I'm just coming back from a massive drawdown. I had a 120k funny pips account which was scaled up. It was initially a 100k account, a funded account which was scaled up. So yeah, then I had another account, 20k 5 years account, funded account, and I had a 200k FTMO account. So the month of August was very was tough for me, sha. I felt really I became very comfortable at 18 now. So I was very comfortable with myself. That I started slacking out, breaking my rules, and also with the market condition during the August period, because now we are in September. So the drawdown was very very massive. The drawdown was like very 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 massive, that I blew my my 120k funded account with 40 pips, and I blew my 20k funded with 5 years. I had a two-step 100k account that was in phase two with 40 pips. I also blew that there. It was very very emotional, and yeah, but I think I was like I was putting a lot of pressure on myself. I've done a lot of reflecting, and I've come to like realize that, bro, I'm just 18 now. I shouldn't be like putting myself into like a lot of pressure, because I was pushing myself to like have $1 million funded account in 4 months, and I had a lot of personal things that was like distracting me and was like making me to like lose focus as well. So with all this, yeah, that's how I lost the account, those accounts. So I blew through account, to be precise. My 120k funded with 40 pips, my 20k funded account with 5 years, and my 100k phase two account with 40 pips, because I was looking to like be mass, like I was looking to like be mass funded with them. But yeah, it's cool. I'm back. I was locked in. I'm back. I'm locked in. I did a lot of meditation. I was reflecting a lot, trying to like figure out what really made me like, apart from the drawdown, apart from the strategy aspect of it, like figure out what really like made me like lose blow all these accounts. But yeah, it all came down to like me, my expectations of the market, and what I was like, you know, the energy I was like, putting into the market. So yeah, I just felt like I was expecting a lot, and I wasn't like getting it immediately, and I was so impatient. But yeah, I learned a lot from it. Yeah, I learned a lot from it, and I wouldn't like want to make those mistakes again. And I just feel like it's just part of my learning curve, and I've learned from it. I just feel like it's just a lesson that I've learned from the get. So yeah, and now I'm still funded with the 200k with TMO account. That account was also in drawdown. It was in drawdown, about 4% drawdown. I was really risky low on that account. I've made one payout with that account with FTMO, know. Why with my 20k 5 years account I blew, I made also one payout with that account, which was $600. Why with the 120k from the account for Nippies, wow, I made about $10k payouts from them. That was about 10 payout thereabout. Yeah, I've been funded with that account since this year. Yeah, I think since this year. That was the longest account that I have ever held in my life. So yeah, though I'm still looking to like break that to like break that trend. So yeah, so why the phase two for the pips account that I blew, yeah, just a challenge account that was still like able to like pass and get funded with, but unfortunately I blew the account. Why my 200k FTMO account, I've only made one payout from that account before I went in drawdown on that account. I've actually been drawdown of about like I've actually been 3 months drawdown on that account after I made that my first payout, which was about $3k. Yes, so yeah, So if you're not following me yet, follow, subscribe, like my video. So yeah, so uh, I'll be like putting out content and trying to like show my ideas, how I see the market, and how like I approach the market in general. So yeah, so today now I'm just like chilling, waiting. I'm hoping that I'll see a set up on US 30 because that's the only pair that I trade. Yeah, that's the only trade, like the only pair that I trade. So yeah, I'm still like looking at the chart and trying to like figure out one or two things I'm gonna do today. So yeah, that's just it for me for now. But I'm still like looking. So you guys should like pardon me. I don't have a laptop yet, but fortunately one of these days hopefully I'll get one. So yeah, it's US 30. Yes, US 30 price has been ranging for some time. So I'm just like waiting for the market to do its thing. I'm just waiting for the market to like do whatever it wants to do and start now trending. Either it starts trending down or starts going up. Either way, I don't have a bias right now, but I just feel like the market is going to sell currently. So I just feel like the market is going to sell. So yeah, I don't know what the market wants to do, but I just feel like that there is a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame. I just feel like there is a break of structure on the 1 hour time frame that is mostly gonna start selling because this is the this is the highest point US 30 has been for a while now. So after this break of structure, I feel like price after this break of structure, there's a break of structure here. This break of structure here, I just feel like price is gonna be going, price is gonna be selling. Price is gonna be selling. So yeah, that's what I'm like waiting for price to like break this area, and I will look to sell it. Yeah, I want price to break this resistance zone here, then I will look to like sell. For now I'm just like waiting. I'm looking for a break and retest of this resistance line, then I'll look to like sell it down. I'm a scalper, so I don't look to like hold for a very long period of time. I'll just like take my share of the national cake and like leave the market. As simple as that. That's what I look to do each and every time I step into the market. So here I'm just looking for price to break this this neckline, for price to like break this neckline for it to like continue selling, because price has been rejecting. So from here now, from here on price to like break, retest, then I'll sell. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. As you can see, this massive pull down, this massive sell. You guys can see this massive sell from here. That's the sellers. Until price goes up and breaks above this high, the sellers, this guy that sold this thing here is still around. So I'm just like looking to follow this guy and do whatever he wants to do. If if he wants to like continue selling this thing, yeah, I would like want to like join him and continue selling this thing. As simple as that. So yeah, that's how I see this market currently now. So till then, I'm patiently waiting. You can also draw this trend line like this. You can also you can also extend the straight line like this. Yep, it won't be perfect. It like the thing, like it doesn't have to be like perfect, but yeah, something like this. Yep. Yeah, you know, it's also a break of structure because there is a lot of like there's a lot of buyers around this area. Each price breaking here shows that okay, the sellers are in control of this market, and I'll just be looking to like follow them and sell. So yeah, that's what I'll be looking to do. But till then, it's a waiting game. Yeah, it's a waiting game. So guys, price broke the resistance that I had here. So I'm looking for a pullback to this area, to this box here, and I'll be looking to like set this down. So yeah, look at it. There's gonna be a massive sell-off on US30 from today till next week. So I'll be looking to like capitalize on that and sell it. So yeah, that's it. If I also see a buy set up during this period, I also buy. For now I'm following my rules and taking my A plus setups only. So yep. So I'm practically waiting for a pullback right now. Exactly what we talked about before. A break, a pullback, and a sell. That's what I'm waiting for. If it doesn't pull back, I will not sell this. If it doesn't pull back, I will not sell it. I'm just waiting for a pullback into this area. If it doesn't pull back, I will not sell it. So yeah, it's a waiting game, like I said before. So guys, the thing is now pulling back. It's pulling back to this area of interest, to this support zone. There's not much is gonna pull back to this place. I'm just waiting for a confirmation candle around that area for me to like sell this thing down. So yeah, I'm just like trying to like follow this guy that sold this thing for me. I'm just like trying to like follow excuse me. I'm just like trying to like follow the guy, the seller that is selling this thing, to take my own share. He's probably like taking partials or attracting buyers into this market in order to like take their money and take them out. Anybody buying this thing probably is gonna be taken out. Well, I don't know. So yeah, so I'm just waiting. I'm waiting for a sale. I'm looking to like sell this thing. Probably I'll hold it to here. I'm just like waiting. My aim I'm gonna aim for like 1:1 if I see a confirmation candle. So yeah, let's wait. Let it pull back, pull back. So guys, I just got into this trade here. Aiming for 1:1. You know, yeah, I'm aiming for 1:1. Here's the trade. Here's the trade. Sell. I'm selling US30 on my 200k FTMO account. Here's the history. I'm currently in drawdown on this account. So yeah, that's it. Let's hope this trade goes my way. As you can see, it's an FTMO 200k account. So price is rejecting now. Price is rejecting that week. Let's see how it goes. Rejecting now. Price is rejecting that week. Let's see how it goes. So guys, look at the trade here. Here's the trade. So I'm going down to the lower time frame to know what's actually happening in this market. I marked out this area because according to my analysis, this is an area of possible reversal. If price start rejecting from this area and start trying to go up, it's not a good thing for me. I will look to close the trade if price start rejecting from this zone over here. So yeah, so at the same time it's making a lower low because there is a buyer around here. So if this buyer that is here now tries to overpower this guy that is selling all these things, then I feel like maybe this guy is running out of momentum to continue selling this thing to continue selling this thing downwards. So yeah, remember, I'm just trying to follow the big boy to do whatever he wants to do. So that's my goal on this trade. So yeah, I'm patiently waiting to see what will happen in this market. So yeah, at the same time while I'm managing the trade, I reduced my risk. I reduced my risk over here. I moved my stop loss down. Just in case the price tries to reject on me. You never can tell. So yeah. So let's wait and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, boys, let's see. Price is rejecting from that zone. Price is rejecting from this zone. And at the same time, it's also rejecting. There is selling power this week, sir. Selling power. It tries to go up. The seller knocked it down. So this week shows selling power is still high. So let's see what's gonna happen. I feel like if it can break this zone, then I feel like price will hit my TP and possibly hit this low here. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm still holding. Remember, I have moved my stop loss to um I have moved my stop loss like close to my entry. So yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. I'm still holding, remember. So I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, here's the trade. So price kept on rejecting from this place that I knocked out. So I just feel like price wants like reverse from my, so I just like closed out from my trade. Yeah, I didn't hold it like I didn't hold the trade to my TP because of how price was behaving around that place. So I just don't know. So I don't know what the market wants to do here, but I don't want to stay and find out. And it's very very close to my TP, but it keeps on rejecting from this area. So I just closed out. Just like close that from the trade. So let me show you guys. Here's the trade. So here's the trade here. It closed out. Yeah, the trade history. So here's the trade. So yeah, I'm just on my way to like recovering my losses. So it's like it's remaining only one more trade for me this week. Yep. So guys, I was able to like make some profit today. That was the first trade for the week. I still have one more trade to like take. I have one more trade to like take this week. So I don't know the the outcome of that trade, but I hope that it works out well for me, because me winning that trade will be like it will be massive for me, and it will you know be a winning week for me. So that would be like good, but the probability of that happening, I don't know. So yeah, so if you have not like this video or subscribe, please press that subscribe button, because I'll be dropping more content that like this. Trading is all about probability, it's all about patience, waiting for that right setup, and executing it. So that's it. I will just have to try as much as possible to focus on the things that really really matter, and not go back to my old pattern. That I'm trying to I'm just go back to my old habits that I feel like along the way in my journey, that I kind of became comfortable, that I stopped following my rules. So that's it. And yeah, that's it for me. The trade, I didn't hold the trade to hit for it. I didn't I for the trade, I didn't hold the trade for it to hit my TP, but I just had to take my profit because of how price was behaving around a particular zone that I felt like price is going to reject from there. It had already rejected from there once, and still came back to that same zone and started showing me rejection candles and indecision candles. So me knowing how
indecision, like the meaning of indecision candles and the rejection candle. It was showing me around those zone. It shows that that zone is very very important and there is a lot of buyers around that area. So I didn't want to like stay to find out what price was gonna do or how it was gonna reject from that area. So I just had to like close my trade. Besides, price has already rejected around my TP, so the probability of it going against me is very very high. So I just felt like I just need to like close this trade and like focus on something else my because me holding that trade, there will be a lot of like a lot of emotions attached to that trade, a lot of mental strength attached to that particular trade. So I just had to like close up the trade and to like get back to myself. So yeah, that's just what I did. And reflecting on everything I did today, I'm just happy that like I took this trade. I executed it very well. I was patient enough. I waited. Price did exactly what I wanted it to do, and I took my sell on US 30. It worked out well for me, though it could have worked out much, much, much better, but it's fine. I am not the market. I don't know what the market is gonna do. And so yeah, I just try as much as possible to like react to what price tells me to do, because that's what I always try as much as possible whenever I enter into the market to like do. So yeah, if you are here to like subscribe, please subscribe on your notification and like this video. I will be dropping more videos like this. Yeah, goodbye.